Today on the Daily Scoop podcast from the Scoop News Group, OPM makes Copilot and ChatGPT available to its entire workforce. And Meta offers its Llama AI models to government for free in a new GSA deal. It's Monday, September 22nd, 2025. Welcome to the Daily Scoop podcast, where you'll hear the latest news and trends facing government leaders. I'm the host of the Daily Scoop podcast, Billy Mitchell. Thanks so much for joining me. All right, let's dive into the day's top headlines. The Office of Personnel Management is rolling out Microsoft Copilot and OpenAI's ChatGPT to its workforce, following a similar move by the Department of Health and Human Services. According to internal emails obtained by FedScoop, OPM Director Scott Cooper told workers that Microsoft 365's Copilot chat became available last Monday, and that ChatGPT 5 access would be available over the next few days to all workers. Cooper said the move is, quote, part of our broader effort to equip you with AI tools that can help you work faster, think bigger, and collaborate better, calling for OPM to lead the way in using AI thoughtfully and effectively starting now, unquote. OPM spokeswoman McLaurin Pinover confirmed one of the emails sent by Cooper about access to the two tools. She said both offerings were the result of deals the General Services Administration has inked with companies to provide services at deeply discounted rates as part of its One Gov initiative. In addition to that, OPM was able to add Copilot to its existing subscription at no cost with Microsoft's new GSA contract in place. Similar to the HHS rollout, Cooper cautioned workers using the tools to still use their best judgment and previewed training from the Office of the Chief Information Officer. More AI offerings are on the horizon for the agency. Pinover told FedScoop that OPM plans to enable access to GSA USAI in the near future. Launched last month, USAI is a tool that aims to allow federal agencies to access and experiment with multiple AI models through the same service. According to two screenshots obtained by FedScoop on top of the two new tools, OPM is also providing employees with free AI training and courses. In one screenshot, a course called OpenAI GPTs, Creating Your Own Custom AI Assistants, was listed, apparently provided by Vanderbilt University. An OPM employee told FedScoop that the AI tools have been useful for basic tasks, but they have concerns over the potential for improper use, given that the trainings are voluntary. Now moving on to other news, federal workers will soon have the ability to use Meta's Llama artificial intelligence models at no cost for agencies under a new deal with the General Services Administration. GSA announced Monday morning that it had reached a deal with Meta, which will offer its open source AI models and tools to federal agencies for free. The Federal Acquisition Agency emphasized that the open source nature of the Llama models allows agencies to retain full control over data processing and storage. Meta's free offer to the government follows deals from a number of other technology companies selling their products, namely AI products, to agencies for a significantly cheaper price. The Trump administration has repeatedly encouraged agencies to adopt emerging tech to streamline workflows. Mark Zuckerberg, co-founder and CEO of Meta, said the company wants to ensure that, quote, all Americans see the benefit of AI through better, more efficient public services, unquote. Josh Grunbaum, commissioner of GSA's Federal Acquisition Service, added that Llama has, quote, unique benefits, unquote, for agencies along with government use cases. It also comes after Amazon received federal authorizations earlier this year to allow Meta's AI models to be used within high-sensitivity government computing environments. OpenAI and Anthropic are currently offering their models to federal agencies separately for $1 per agency for 1 year, whereas Google rolled out its Gemini for Government AI platform last month, which will cost agencies about 47 cents for the first year. And earlier this month, Microsoft struck a deal with the GSA to offer its Microsoft 365, Azure Cloud Services, and Dynamics 365 products at a discounted price for up to 36 months. As part of that, Copilot, one of Microsoft's more high-profile AI products, will be available to Microsoft 365 customers at no cost for the next 12 months. Amid the flurry of deals in recent months, FedRAMP announced it will begin prioritizing certain AI cloud services for FedRAMP authorization. For more news at the intersection of the federal government and technology, make sure to visit fedscoop.com. Thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of the Daily Scoop podcast, available on all podcast platforms. If you've already rated the podcast on your platform of choice, thanks so much. High ratings and good reviews of the show help more people to find it. The Daily Scoop podcast is a production of the Scoop News Group in Washington, D.C.
Adam Butler and Carlin Fisher help put the show together, and the entire Scoop News Group team contributes. We'll be back tomorrow with more top headlines. Until then, I'm your host, as always, Billy Mitchell. Thanks so much for listening.